dear student. In the last video, we solved the fourth and fifth question of exercise 5.1. Now in this video, we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 5.1. Okay. The sixth question is, using the given pattern, find the missing term. So some terms they have already filled. With the help of that terms, we have to find out that missing terms in this pattern. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. 4 square plus 5 square plus dash is equal to 21 square. 5 square plus dash plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. 6 square plus 7 square plus dash is equal to dash. That fill in the blanks we have to say. Okay. The first three they have completely given. So just look at the relationship between that three. Using that we can fill the next three terms. Okay. Now here what they did. Okay. Any ideas? Just think what they did in the first three. It is very easy pattern. Okay. So what they did is they just multiplied the first term and the second term. 1 2s are 2 and they wrote that as a third term. And whatever third term you are getting, they did plus 1 to get the RHS. Like that they completed the pattern. So you can see here also 2 3s are 6. 6 they wrote. They multiplied first 2, they got the third. Okay. To the third term they did plus 1 and they are getting the RHS. Right. The third also 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Now like this you fill the remaining term. 4 5s are 20. So in this box it will be 20 square. 20 square plus 1 is equal to 21 square. There we got the answer for the fourth term. Now next 5 plus dash. So there we need a number which is giving 30. So that is 6 square. Right. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. That completes our fifth line also. Next 6 7s are 42 square. Right. To get the next number we are doing plus 1. So it will be 43 square. So this is the easiest pattern. So whatever may be the pattern, if you learn the relationship between the numbers which are given, then it will be easy for you to solve the missing terms, to find out the missing terms. Okay, hope you understood the solution. Next move on to the next question of the exercise. Without adding, find the sum. Okay, so this is very easy. Pattern 3 it is, right? So that is, without doing addition also we can find out the sum if there are only consecutive odd numbers you are adding, right? So here we are adding 4 odd numbers. Just you do 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. Solution for this or the answer or sum for this question is 16. So that is very easy for us. Next, so here without adding you should find out the sum. Just count how many odd numbers they are adding. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. They are adding 10 odd numbers. So just do 10 square. 10 square is equal to 100. Right. 100 is the sum. See how easy it is. If we go on counting, it will take more time than this, isn't it? Just if you remember this rule, it will be easy. Next, the third sub question is, so this much odd numbers they are adding, and from 1 continuously they are adding the consecutive odd number. Just count how many odd numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. There are 12 odd numbers. So we will not count them. Just we will do 12 square. 12 square is equal to 144. So within a fraction of second we got our answer. Right? How easy it is. Okay, now let's solve question number 8. Question number 8 is express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Question number 8 is the reverse of question number 7, right? Question number 7, they only have given the odd numbers, just we are finding the sum. So here the sum is already given, we have to express them as with the help of our odd numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 7 odd numbers, they are asking to add 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Check how many odd numbers we added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we added odd numbers up to 7. So when we add this odd numbers, we are going to get this 49. That 49 we expressed as the product sum of the 7 odd numbers. Okay, the next second sub question. Okay, this thing is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, right? Okay, the next question. Express 121 as a sum of 11 odd numbers. You have to add 11 consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. So there we added 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. So that is our expression of 121 with the help of odd numbers only. That is the solution for question number 8. Now let us move on to question number 9. How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? So there are some numbers given. You have to write how many numbers comes between the squares of that numbers. That thing we have to do. So in that first question is 12 and 13. Between the square of 12 and 14, how many numbers we are getting? Just recall your pattern too. Okay. So if there are n square and n plus 1 square, you have square numbers. Then between that two square numbers, you will get 2n non-perfect square numbers, isn't it? So here this is between 12 square and 13 square, how many numbers we are getting? We have to find out that. So we will not count, just by multiplying 2 to the first number. First number is 12. 12 2s are 24. Directly we write that 24 numbers we are getting between 12 square and 13 square with the help of our pattern rule. Next is 25 square and 26 square. Don't do any calculation, don't find out the square, just multiply 2 to the first square number, that is 25. 2 25s are 50. So we are going to get 50 numbers between 25 square and 26 square. So if you count the numbers, how much time it will take? 50 numbers you have to count and 50 numbers you have to write, isn't it? But just if you remember the pattern, within a second we can write down our answer. How easy that is. Okay, the third sub question, 99 and 100. So between 99 square and 100 square, how many numbers are there? That thing we have to calculate. So there are such a big numbers. So counting will take too much of time. We'll do 99 into 2, which is equal to 198. Right? 198. So that much numbers we are going to get between the squares of 99 and 100. Okay. So that is the solution for question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 of your exercise. Hope you understood. Thank you.